Are you feeling tired even though you eat regularly? You think your meals are healthy and balanced, but it could be missing key micronutrients that are essential for energy production. In today's video, we will talk about one of the most important micronutrients that play a big role in fighting fatigue and what happens to your body when it doesn't get enough of it. Now let's dive into this key nutrient, iron. Iron is essential for producing hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in the blood, and myoglobin, which stores oxygen in muscles. It also plays a key role in the mitochondria. It acts as a cofactor for enzymes and helps produce ATP, your body's main energy source. Iron supports the synthesis of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, and it's vital for a strong immune system. When iron levels are low, the production of both hemoglobin and myoglobin decreases. That means less oxygen is carried through your blood and less is stored in your muscles, which can leave you feeling weak, tired, and out of breath even with simple activities. And since iron acts as a cofactor in the mitochondria, low levels mean less ATP is produced, and that translates directly into fatigue and low energy. Also, because iron is involved in the production of dopamine and serotonin, low levels can lead to mental fatigue, low mood, and even sleep disturbances. How do you know if you're low in iron? You may notice signs like chronic fatigue, weakness, pale skin, dizziness, shortness of breath, headaches, hair loss, or even trouble concentrating. Some people also experience cold hands and feet or unusual cravings for non-food items like ice or clay. What can you eat to make sure you are getting enough iron? There are two types of iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron comes from animal sources and is easier for your body to absorb. You'll find it in foods like red meat, chicken, turkey, liver, fish, and seafood. Non-heme iron comes from plant-based sources like lentils, chickpeas, spinach, kale, tofu, pumpkin seeds, and quinoa. To boost your absorption of non-heme iron, try to pair these foods with vitamin C rich foods like citrus, strawberries, and bell peppers. One more thing, try to avoid drinking tea or coffee right after your meals as they can reduce iron absorption. We've talked about iron today, but there are more key nutrients that if your body doesn't get enough of them could silently drain your energy. So if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. See you!